Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts. So today, a vendor sent me a free product, and this is a paid review. Let's get straight to it. This is a little portable 100-watt solar panel for charging your batteries, plugging into a solar generator, whatever it is you want to do. In my case, I'll use it for charging cell phones when I'm out camping, and I can also hook it up to my RV right behind me to float charge my LiFePro batteries. This is the support for when you tilt it up. Let's have a bag here, and this bag covers up the connector. One thing you do need to know is that you do need a solar controller for this. This is just a straight solar panel. It does not control the output whatsoever. So you are going to want a solar generator or a solar controller or something to go with this. In my case, on my RV behind me, I have a solar controller that I can just plug this right into, and it will control the charge on my battery. The one thing it does have, though, if you just want to put it up like I'm going to do right now, is it does have a little, what about it? It does have, I guess, what you'd call a mini controller. So this goes to your, whatever it is you want to charge. This could go to your solar generator, your solar controller, whatever it is you want to charge. All right. With this very nice cord with adapter ends, this goes to your solar panel end, and then multiple ends for the other side to whatever you want to connect it to. In my case, on my solar on board on the wall, I had to buy a connector and a solar controller so that this would work. Just so you know, if you're trying to do a solar on board with your camper, make sure you look up your ends so that you can make sure that you have the right ends. Okay? It does have a set of adapters too that you can look at those too and make sure that one of these might work for you. So, then you have your solar panel. We're gonna go ahead and face that towards the sun. Face that towards the sun, and the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to plug in a phone charger. All right, so what we're going to do is just to test out the charging capability of just the solar panel itself. So it has a little output here, 2 USB outputs. I'm just going to plug in this USB output. Hopefully, I hope that it is charging. It is charging right there. So right now we have enough sun, and it's not really very sunny, and we have enough sun that it is charging the telephone right now. And I'm going to just simply plug it into this little flashlight I have, and we should be able to get an indication of whether it's charging or not. You see the red light? So it is charging my flashlight, just right off of the sun, so that's pretty cool. That's awesome. And then I'm going to show you. So then we take this cord right here that feeds off of the panel itself. And we simply plug it in here to its connection. Then I'm going to run it over here. I have it plugged in to my RV on board. Now if you look, you can see that my battery is charging. My battery is at 75%, and it is a gel cell battery, and it is charging my gel cell battery, and it is literally not very light out here, and that solar panel is still charging me. So that's pretty cool. Awesome. And it's just hooked up all the way down to my solar panel. Go out and get your solar panel. Today, charge your RV batteries, charge your phone while you're out camping. Great little system. Now, it's not a heavy duty system, but it's a great little system.